So wonderful evening, friends. Hope the revisions are going on in full swing. We're going to see section 122 and another provision which is going to be very handy for you. So do check it out and do make use of it. So this is an amendment and lots of chances for it. The key thing is this may not be a direct question, but this will be an hidden adjustment. So you've got to be very watchful on this. The penalty amount for unregistered machines, this is section 122A, an amount of rupees 1 lakh per machine will be penalized from 1st October 2024, and the impact on unregistered machines will be seized and confiscated, but you can get the relief from the seizure and seizure if registration of the machine is done within 3 days from receiving the penalty order. Lot of chances for this coming in your MCQ, so do watch out. Now coming to this usual thing, section 122.1. So 21 instances have been prescribed, various cases, especially if it involves fraud, then 10,000 or the actual amount of tax evaded or tax not deducted, or ITC wrongly availed, or refund wrongly claimed, refund fraudulently claimed, that is, whichever is higher will be the penalty that will be imposed. Be very careful. In CGST it is 10,000, SGST it is 10,000, and in IGST it is 20,000. So this is the key things which you should keep in mind. And section 122, it levies penalty. So non-fraud cases, I repeat, non-fraud cases, or that is willful representation, statement or suppression is not involved. In such cases, 10,000 or 10% of the tax due from such person, whichever is higher. In case of IGST it is 20,000 or 10% of the tax due from such person, whichever is higher. And the second case we just saw the similar one. And another very important thing is, this is also free note class. So minor breach is one where the tax involved is less than rupees 5,000. And moving on to the next section 132, I'm going to tell one very easy shortcut, you will not forget it. So if the amount involved is rupees more than 5 crores, so the case will be there. The amount involved is 7 crores. So what is the maximum imprisonment that can be imposed? Sir, is it 2 years? Is it 5 years? I don't remember, sir. Nothing to worry. 5 means 5, so that is 5 years, simple. And next is, if the amount involved is between 2 to 5 crores, that is if it's 3 crore or 4 crore. So how to remember the slab? So that is between 2 to 5 crore is 5 minus 2 is what? It is 3. So the imprisonment can be imposed up to 3 years. And if the amount involved is between 1 to 2 crores, so what is the difference between 2 minus 1? That is 1. So imprisonment up to 1 year. This is called deriving the provisions from the whatever is known to you. So if you do these differences, you don't have to keep coming back to this topic. So keep these things in mind. We have covered section 122 amendment and 122 the key numericals, and section 132 as well. So all the very best, keep going and best wishes and stay focused. I repeat, minor breach means tax involved is less than rupees 5,000. It is tax involved, not the amount involved. And in case of section 132, it is amount involved. So be very careful with all these terminologies. Keep these things in mind and best wishes, stay focused.